Your pets love you. Sometimes it's obvious and sometimes it's not. They are your friends, your protectors, your partners. Pets are always there for you through your ups and downs. They're so devoted, it's insane. The only thing they hold in their bodies is absolute love for their humans. The only thing in this world that loves you more than you love yourself is your pet. They might only be there for a part of your life, but to them, you are their whole life. Now, imagine this. One day, you don't come home. You were drinking and driving, so now you aren't ever coming home. So your pets wait and wait and wait, but still you don't come home. They don't know what happened to their best friend, so they just wait, hoping one day you will return. Even if they don't understand the words you speak, they understand your voice. They know when to get excited if they hear you speaking, but what if they never hear you speak again? They loved you for their whole life, and if they lost you, then they would just be missing you for the rest of their life. You can love someone so much, but you can never love someone as much as you can miss them. Your pets look up to you. Don't let them down. Don't drink and drive. Be safe.